If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Atlas series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Officers IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Namda Art. Namda Art, see, it is a traditional art which is being practiced in Kashmir. A traditional art, a wool-based traditional art practiced in Kashmir. So here, look at these images. I will choose a different color. Right. So here, the wool collected, that will be spread in a particular place. Okay, in the floor, the wool will be spread. Second stage, okay, the wool will be second and third. Okay, second and third, we are able to see the collected wool is spread in the floor, which is pressed in the floor, then some soap water will be, see, the soap water will be sprayed on the wool, right? Then after a time, the wool with the soap water, that will be rolled, that will be squeezed. Okay, that will be squeezed, then it will be relaxed. This process will be continuing it for several times. So what you will do, collect the wool, spread in the floor, press the wool, pour some soap water, press it again, right? Then roll, a mat like structure will be formed, roll the wool, tightly squeeze the wool, okay, then unwind it, continue the process again and again. At one point you will find a thick mat made up of wool be formed. On the thick mat, over and above the thick mat, right, designs will be made. Over and above the thick mat, you will have some floral designs. Okay, this is about Namda art. See, it is said that the origin is Kashmir. A Sufi saint introduced this art in Kashmir. It is also said that Akbar during 16th century, he wanted to have a covering on his horses to protect the horses from the cold, for which this traditional art was developed. There are so many stories behind it, but it is widely believed that the origin is Kashmir. It is also being practiced in Central Asia and also other parts of Asia. Right, a GI tag has been applied for this in 2022, yet to get this GI tag. So traditional art which is being dying out, it takes time, it consumes time. It consumes times to come up with this final product. Right? Lack of patronage, the skill is not being passed to the next generation. The skill is actually dying out. So keeping this in mind, under the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, skill training is being given to the youth for developing this Namda art. That's why it was in news. Right? So here wool is not woven, the wool is felted. Felted means it is made into thick carpet. Okay, the wool is placed layer by layer. Then once a thick mat of wool is made, then designs will be made over and above that thick mat. Floral patterns, flowers, leaves, buds, fruits, designs will be made. So yes, government is trying to revive this skill as a part of Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. That's why it was in news. GA tag has been applied, yet to come. GA means geographical indication tag. Okay, I will explain about the GA tag little later in a separate topic. I have also made hit list series on video on the intellectual property. If you want, you can also watch those. I hope the topic was useful. So I will meet you next video with another important interesting topic. Till then, bye. Take care.